Greetings, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to another exciting video on the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. In today's episode, we will be discussing the must-have apps for all you RVers out there. So, whether you're a full-time RVer or just enjoy the occasional road trip, these apps will greatly enhance your journey. First up, we have RV Parky. This app is a gem for finding and reserving RV campsites. It provides comprehensive information about thousands of RV parks across the country, including amenities, reviews, and even real-time availability. RV Parky is a must-have companion for planning your stay and ensuring a smooth camping experience. Next on the list is GasBuddy, a fantastic app for helping you find the cheapest gas prices along your route. We all know how pricey fuel can get, so GasBuddy is a game-changer when it comes to saving money on your travels. Simply input your location, and GasBuddy will locate the nearest gas stations with the best prices, giving you the freedom to fuel up and save. Moving on, we have Allstays Camp and RV. This all-encompassing app is a treasure trove of information, providing details on campgrounds, RV parks, rest areas, and even Walmart locations that allow overnight parking. Allstays Camp and RV lets you filter locations based on your preferences, such as pet-friendly sites, dump stations, and more. It's a true RVing lifesaver. Another essential app for tech-savvy RVers is Spyglass. This powerful navigation toolkit combines GPS, compass, and augmented reality to revolutionize your travel experience. Spyglass provides detailed maps, navigation data, and even offline mode for those remote areas with limited internet connectivity. With Spyglass, you can explore with confidence and never get lost. Lastly, we can't forget about Weather Underground. As RVers, staying updated on weather conditions is crucial for planning and, more importantly, ensuring your safety. Weather Underground offers hyperlocal forecasts, severe weather alerts, and radar maps, giving you the most accurate and up-to-date weather information for your current location or any destination along your journey. And there you have it, our top picks for must-have apps for RVers. We hope you found this video informative and useful for your upcoming adventures on the open road. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel for more exciting RV-related tips and tricks. Until next time, happy RVing!